Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats for the Advent Calendar Battle of the Year. In the red corner, fighting out of London, Jo Loves. And in the cream and black corner, fighting out of New York, because they're owned by Estee Lauder, it's Jo Malone London. Malone. And let's look at the tail of the tape. Both fighters weighed in at exactly 325 pounds. Both fighters have 24 items and a Christmas theme mixed with a range of standard products. But the clincher for perfume fans in the house tonight is how many perfume products do we get? Jo Loves is coming in with a range of products. Gels, moisturisers and her trademark move, the perfume brush. It's knocked out some contenders. Jo Malone London, staying orthodox. Yes, we have some hand cream, but we're mainly talking perfumes and colognes. Okay, I can reveal we have the judges' cards, and the winner for the most perfumes you get in an advent calendar is Jo Malone London.